Hello everyone. Today I am sharing protein power salad. Ready in 15 minutes. Calories: 340 per serving. Protein: 19 grams per serving. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. For dressing: wash and chop all the fresh vegetables. Add the lettuce or spinach to a large mixing bowl. Add the chickpeas, black beans, cucumber, tomatoes, bell pepper, and red onion. Place the sliced boiled eggs on top. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently until everything is well coated. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and serve immediately or refrigerate for meal prep. Health benefits: high in protein, rich in fiber, keeps you full longer, supports muscle health. Great for meal prep. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 340 calories, 19 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes every week. See you in the next video.